Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna, and today's video I'm going to show you my Five Below haul. So let's officially get into this video. So first I have these white canvas shoes, and I'm going to be tie-dyeing them. I love to tie-dye shoes, so I'm like really excited. I got these dual tip oil-based markers. I bought them because I've always wanted to try them out, and on ceramic mugs you can color on them and then bake it, and then it's supposedly permanent. So I'm really excited because I really want to design like my own teacups and stuff like that. And then last, I got a glow-in-the-dark tie-dye kit, and it's just like, that is like super cool. I cannot wait to try this out. So this is all of what comes in the tie-dye kit. These are the 3 glow-in-the-dark tie-dyes. And then these are the just regular tie-dyes, and they also come with the spray. And they also come with the spray because these are the stencils that have come with it. Well, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day.